Hey there! If you're trying to figure out how to monetize Instagram, fix common issues, or understand the latest requirement rules to earn money in Insta, you're in the right place. In this video, I've got a full guide to help you get back on track with Instagram monetization. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Check if your account is eligible for monetization. Go to your profile, then tap the menu icon in the top right corner. From there, go to Creator Tools and select Set Up Monetization. Instagram has specific requirements, such as a minimum follow count and no recent violations of community guidelines. Step 2. Review any policy violations. Go to your profile, then Settings, scroll down to Account Status, and check if you've violated any rules. If your content has been flagged, it could temporarily disable monetization features. You may need to appeal any flagged content or wait for the restriction to be lifted. Step 3. Enable Two-Factor Authentication. Make sure Two-Factor Authentication is enabled to prevent security issues that might affect your earnings. To do this, go to Settings, Account Center, Password and Security, Two-Factor Authentication, and turn it on. Step 4. Check and update your payment details. Go to Settings, scroll down to Orders and Payments, then tap Payment Methods. Add or update your payment method and make sure all the information is correct. Incorrect payment details can delay your earnings from Instagram. Step 5. Report the problem to Instagram. If everything seems correct and you're still having issues, it's time to report it. Go to Settings, Help, Report a Problem, and provide a clear explanation of the monetization issue you're facing. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to fix most Instagram monetization issues. Is how to monetize Instagram. 6 issues and requirement rules to earn money helpful? Then please like and subs.